you go in here, passenger side, you've got this panel right here. There's gonna be 2 clips, one here and one here. It'll be up under the glove box, so you'll just pull down on that. And the kick panel, you can put your hand right here, pull it out. So those 2 are out of the way. And then if we get way back in here, the first screw is right there. And then the second screw is right there. And then where that plug is where the filter is. So there's 4 screws. I removed these 2 screws. This is some type of blower motor resistor. Up in there is where the filter actually is. But you can see there's 2 other screws here. And that is actually what's going to allow us to access the filter. Take the 2 screws out, grab this, pull it out. Damn, son. So when you reach your hand in there, you'll feel the first filter. It slides straight in. The other one goes above it, and that's where they both sit. And let me show you what they look like. Pretty gnarly. And that's the other one right here. So before I install the new filter, I'm gonna go and vacuum all this crap and shoot some air through there and all that, and then clean my car all over again. All right, let's see what it's looking like in there. There's a few things all the way back there. Other than that, looks all right. There's still a crap load of dirt right here though. Try to get that as best as I can with the vacuum, because this is your heater core basically. So you want that to be unclogged so that your heater and AC work to the max. When you get your new filters, there's going to be 2 pieces. You'll notice this piece has these grooves on top, and this piece has a piece that sticks out. So that's how they fit together. So this one will be the one that you install last. This one will be the top one, so you'll put that in and all the way up. And it says here airflow this way. So the air is flowing towards, so it'll be basically like that. And you'll go ahead and install it. Slide it in. And then slide it up. And then with your other hand, put the lower filter in. And let's double check that they're both in there. They are, but they're not lined up. So, and that's how it should look when you're done. They're connected, they're flush over the heater core, and you're good to go.